Today I'll be going through some rotationless F2L inserts. It's important to know that not all of these inserts are practical, so it's important that you guys do try these out for yourselves and figure out which ones work for you in an actual solve. So this F2L pair going into this slot can be done with F moves, like that. This corner and this edge going into this slot can also be done with F moves, like that. This corner and this edge going into this slot can be done like this. This F2L pair going into this slot can be done like this. This F2L pair going into this slot, same as the last case, can be done like this also. So this is an inverse sledge from the back. And if you have this F2L pair in this position going into this slot, it can be done like this. If you have this F2L pair going into this slot for last slot, and you have these two last layer edges oriented, then you can do an inverse sledge from this angle to insert and orient the last layer edges. If you have this F2L pair going into the back slot and these two edges oriented, you can do a sledgehammer from the back to orient all of the edges. So those were some rotationless F2L inserts. As I mentioned before, not all of them are practical, so it's important that you do give them a try and figure out which ones work for you. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you next time.